In this Learn With Me Python course, I explore the possibility of detecting geometric shapes in images. I never have done this before and I have no Python experience. I begin by asking ChatGPT the question, can you write a Python code that recognizes geometrical shapes in an image? Here is the result. No need to understand what the code means, just implement the steps. ChatGPT gives 2 steps. First, it says there is a requirement to install the OpenCV library, which is needed to run the codes in the main script given in the section below, Shape Detection Code. Let's start with that. The bash label means you enter the code in the terminal. In macOS, you can start the terminal like this. Windows users should have it too. Check your Apps Center on your PC. Copy-paste this command to your terminal. Just enter and let the system install the packages. This can take some time. However, Python shows an error message telling to upgrade pip. I didn't know what this was for. I searched and found that pip is the package installer for Python, or a package management system that provides libraries. I copied the message and asked ChatGPT what this error means. It appears that pip on this PC is depreciated and must be upgraded with this command. I copy-paste this command to the terminal and enter. The package is installed successfully. Because the first step failed due to an outdated pip, I copy-paste this command to the terminal to install the OpenCV library. Done. The last step is to copy-paste the Python script to a new Python script file and save it. Done. Now, run the script to see if it can detect 5 different shapes that I saved as PNG image files to my folder. I selected these 5 because they are mentioned in the script. Triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, and circle. At the bottom of the script, below the example usage comment, you can enter the different shapes as a parameter to the function recognize shapes. You have to give the complete path to the image like this. I'm starting with the square shape image. Save the changes before running the script. Go to Run and click Run Module. Unbelievable. It works. I'm really surprised that I achieved this small goal that started as an idea, and here I am looking at the result. I don't even have Python experience. This is the 5th assignment I'm doing. The square is detected as a rectangle. That's okay. It was a nice try. One thing, there is no close button on this screen. Hit the escape key to close the screen. Now I'm running for the circle. It gives the correct answer. Next, rectangle. Correct answer. Next, triangle. Wrong answer. Last, pentagon. Correct answer. 2 out of 5 shapes are detected incorrectly. I'm fine with that. It is a start. I'm glad that the script runs and gives results. It can be fine-tuned. But that's not my goal right now. Although I get inspiration and I'm excited about what can be achieved with programming. There is a whole world out there. Build with me, follow my journey. If you have ideas or if you can improve the code, comment. Thanks for watching.